You know what I said about Xbox getting back on its feet and making things better? Now, I know I started off with this channel being positive about Xbox, but recent times, it's been changing my perspective and I don't know. I don't know what to tell you anymore. They're getting worse and worse every month for the past year. I don't get it. But their showcase was pretty damn great. I can say that for sure. Speaking of Gears of War and, well, mainly Gears of War and Gears of War and Gears of War. But the feature they released last week is a $30 Xbox. This is my $30 Xbox that I spent. And we'll see if it works, we'll see how it goes. With this device, let's see if their streaming did any better. And if you even need an Xbox anymore. $30 versus $400 to $500 and buy more games? This might beat it. Might. But you know, I prefer physical consoles. I don't... Let's test this out. I'm Isaac, and welcome back to 2-Bit Tech. So as you can see here, this is the start screen. Kind of looks similar to the Xbox start screen, but you would think, right? It looks familiar. Apparently Square has a select option. No, it's not X. X takes you back, which is weird, right? So I forgot to mention, I'm not using the Fire Stick for this. I'm using a Samsung TV, which has the app for it. Now, a PS4 controller is connected to it. Sorry, PS5 controller, the controller. Connect controller on Xbox. Pair with TV. Controllers. There we go. Pair and connect. Oh my god, I am so dumb. I'm sorry, guys. Connected. There. It's connected now. Oh my god, it's terrible.
Mr. Giggles.
Again. Keep in mind, you need an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate for this to work. It can't be the core, it can't be anything else. It has to be Ultimate. Unless it's a game like Fortnite, which is free, you don't need a subscription for that, obviously. But to play everything else like this, you need it. The only games you can currently play on here are on Game Pass. According to Microsoft, you will be able to play games that are not Game Pass for a month from now. But
wait, what about the ones you have on CD?
Oh, do you see a CD jack in your TV? That's no console. You gotta buy the digital.
on Game Pass, you do not own the games. You're paying a subscription to play those games.
So it's like Netflix.
Yes, it's like Netflix. You don't own the movies. You're paying a subscription to watch those movies. I don't know why it's your Wi-Fi. It kind of sucks.
Oh.
Anyways, depending on your internet connection, it'll affect.
My God,
Mr. Giggles, go away! Since you'll be streaming the game, depending on your Wi-Fi connection, it'll affect your gameplay. So we'll see how it runs on this Wi-Fi.
Bro, homie, still.
Keep up with what he was doing.
The audio cut out for a second. It's stuttering. Stutter there. It's weird because the sound comes and goes. I mean, it looks kind of like poo poo.
Looks like doo-doo caca.
Looks like doo doo caca, Brim. Looks like doo doo caca.
That looks great to me.
Oh yeah.
You see little like
Yeah,
you see little
grainy.
grainy.
Yeah.
All right, let's play something like a first-person shooter. Okay, it doesn't look too bad. Looks good. Wow, it looks better than expected. It looks a bit rough. A little bit of a delay there. I promise I do not play this bad. Let's try like something a little more simple. Some Halo. Oh, what? Let's put on new graphics. See how it looks.
Oh wow.
Now let's see how it holds up on an online match. Oh, wow! Alright, now we're gonna try this out. The Fire TV stick. Or Fire Stick TV. Whatever you want to call it. Update after update after update. After update, after update, and after update. Oh my god, no.
Damn.
How long did that take? 40 minutes? 30?
30 minutes.
So let's get to it. See if this is any good or any better. So far so good. It looks a lot better on this than the Odyssey Arc. Oh no. Oh no, this is worse. This is way worse. I can feel it. Oh no. Did you see that? Oh, that was so bad. Getting my butt kicked over here, but I was told that I should try this for a week. Let's see how it goes. See you in a week.
1 week later.
This is the only time I'm going to say something nice about Juan's monitor. The connection is better on there than it is on the Fire Stick. Why? To be honest, I can't tell you that. Single player is manageable to fix some mistakes during gameplay, but when it comes to online matchmaking, you can't adjust yourself and fix those mistakes. Once you get taken out, you're out of the match. I ran into many issues when it came to online matchmaking, but when it came to single player, it was pretty manageable, I'd say. First and third person shooters are annoying, but RTS games are where it's at. It's pretty manageable, and well, you don't need precise aiming when it comes to RTS, you know, you just move your troops there, here, and there. I was struggling for a week with this thing, and let's just say never play online matchmaking. It would ruin your day. I personally wouldn't stay with this thing because I'm not a casual gamer. I am a more towards competitive gamer. When you see input like there, you notice it. You very much notice it when it comes to games like Call of Duty, Halo, Gears of War, things like that. You notice it. Just little tiny adjustments. It's just you miss and you're like, oh, I could have hit that with my actual physical Xbox or something better. If you're on a budget with a decent internet, I'd say you should buy this if a console is not in your price range. Like, come on, $30 plus Xbox Game Pass Ultimate is better than paying around $500 for a console. If you got the money, then by all means, save yourself the hassle and get a console. Juan and Brim saw me struggle with it and they didn't want to touch a damn thing. Now, this is the latest feature, and keep in mind, it's still in beta and only a week old. Is it good or is it bad? That's up to you to decide. If you got the time and $30, I'd say give it a go and tell me what you guys think.
If you don't like it, at the end of the day, you have a Fire TV.
Yeah, that is true. That is very true. Would you get this or don't even bother with it? Let me know in the comments. I'd like to hear from you. I'm Isaac, and see y'all next week. Peace out. Oh, before we go, you know when your kid asks you for an Xbox? Just give him this. I mean, it's still an Xbox, right? It still plays Xbox games. And it still plays online, but...
I don't know, man. That's like saying coal is a Christmas gift.
Well, it is if you're freaking cold.
Oh yeah, you know.
If you need to cook something, it's a really good gift. Well, I mean...